Ở vô, ở kia đó. Bao nhiêu cũng vậy thôi, cái gì bỏ chung cho cái tưởng đâu ok. Hiểu không? Ở đây không có đủ nhân lực. Đi lấy dạ. Thôi sách vô đi. Dạ. Sách vô bỏ đó, ngày mai có nữa. Không có đủ nhân lực. Cái sứ cái nhỏ. Thôi gì quá ăn hết trọi đi. Nhưng mà có cái bệnh gì còn có thuộc. Tại vì ít quá hiểu không? Ít đi một số đông quá. Tới là rồi, nói là cảm ơn quý vị là thương. Ok. Xem. Bữa này cũng về đó. Bỏ trong cái thùng đó. Động vô rồi nghĩ tới sư phụ là có tình thương tới này. Ok hả? Rồi. Thôi một lát qua gặp nha. Ok. Chào. Sao có chỉ手干嘛？没有才举手。Anybody who don't have, raise hand. Everybody have, right? Yesterday I gave you some of this. Remember? And my dog was very unhappy. You don't give him chocolate cookies. No. No. You cannot just give dog anything. Chocolate is no good for dogs. You can kill them. Don't do that, okay? If you want to give them something, you have to ask me. That's chocolate. Chocolate? Yes. Mongol. Finished? Everybody has?
Yes.
Yeah, bây giờ đến mấy rồi? You did not have? Nothing?
This no.
Ready now? Already have to take a bite. Oh. Okay, mother. Here. You want that or you want this?
Sure.
Whatever you like. Okay,
Thank you.
Ê, công trường đến nhìn. Đây. It's for the working team.
Okay.
Everyone one piece. I'm sorry, I don't have a lot.
Okay, thank you, miss.
This is for you and him. Two, you see? And hello? Công trường đến nhìn. There. Where is your mask? You done?
Okay.
Okay. Everybody get one piece. Okay. Here this. Okay. And give it to the man who do the heater. Okay. One more heater will be coming. And then it will be better. Okay, huh? Today I want to cover myself like a spy. Yeah? I need a mask. Otherwise, yeah. In đâu lẻ trong tủ. That's my stuff and you take it, huh? Huh? You don't ask me, huh? Here come, everybody take one. Take one, okay?
Yes, master.
You pour it.
Yes, master.
Here we go. You clean?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and you take one by one. Give it to
Okay.
them.
Yeah.
Don't talk. Don't talk like that. Not allowed. Okay, good. Right. And this one you don't use. So plug it out. I did already. To save the standby electricity. Okay? These 2 days you don't cook for me, even why you did not. Okay, I need a mask. And I go out. Okay, I do it. I know it, Mama. Thank you. I saw it yesterday. Okay, huh? Everybody has some. If it's not enough, give them some more. Give some to the cameraman and
Yes.
everybody one more. Okay?
Yes.
Because they still have more. Oh, the dog. Okay. I know you. Okay, good. That's for everybody. What is that? Oh. Okay. Luxury. I normally don't give him too much. Where is the bowl? Clean bowl.
Yes.
Yeah. Oof. 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 Something clean. Oh, where? Here. Come here. Here, in the light. Oh, you want to sit there? Where do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit? Sit down and you have it. Where? Huh? Good. Okay, sit down then. Okay, never mind about that. Okay. Come here. Here, sit. Yeah. Today, come on. I don't have good things now, but today I gave him some vegan shrimp, cold vegan shrimp, uncooked. They are vegan cold shrimp, and he likes it. There you go. Enough for that. So, for snacks, too much, okay? What is that?
I want to give it to Tokiti. You just
They have already.
You have already?
This is all for you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have a lot? Do you still have some there? Give it to more to them. Yes. One each for them, and then the rest give to the kitchen outside.
Yes.
You're welcome. Master does everything. Master knows everything. What is this here? Huh? Some more cakes? Whoa. That's cool. Ah, very cool. You share, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I share together, okay? And then, oh, not a lot, huh? Dầu mà,
Dầu là.
trang ở gì à?
Okay.
Cái gì ra bên ngoài? Tôi khoai. You break it, everyone have a little, okay? Okay, whoever. Oh. This is extra. Extra. You eat already. This is extra, okay? This is feel warmer later. We warm, okay? Later we will put it on. And we block everything like this, so not too much drop. Yes. And you feel better already?
Yes. Feel better. It's very cozy like that.
Is it?
Yes.
And then, okay, good. We have to hide it. It's going to be warmer and warmer now because of the heater. We have one more. What is that there? Okay, very good. You come here. Okay, like this. One more heater, but somewhere here, okay? Okay. Somewhere here, and then, yeah, facing that way, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the air will be warm, understand?
Okay.
Might not be very hot, but warm and dry, and you feel more comfortable. If you catch anywhere a little thing you can tuck in, then just do that. And that tape, can you tape it up? The broken tape it back up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay. That's good. No, that is fine.
Okay.
If we have one more, then we don't have to move that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's be very warm here.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just worried about the rain yesterday. It can. Phú Hoa nó lạnh là. Can somebody translate for each other? Yeah. Translation? Yeah. For each other. I'm not worried about the cold too much because the cold we can always have heater like this. But I wonder why nobody thinks about that. I had to tell them. If it was warmer, you wouldn't have had a cold like this. Understand? Yeah. OK， 这个瓦斯炉也不错啊。他们如果太亮了，我把它盖起来嘛。No problem. OK. I'm not worried much about the cold because if it's cold, we can put heater and even more heater. You know, if not warm enough, we put 5, 6, 7, 10 heaters. Then it'll be very warm. I'm worried about the rain because when it rains, if there's any leaking, then you get wet. You wet here, wet there, wet everywhere, and this is a problem. Only when it rains that we know wet or not. But right now, you did a good job. All of the guy did a good job. Because you take some areas and it looks good. And the wind proof is good. Just the rain, I don't know. At least we did patch up all this before the rain keep coming down here. And I hope this time it's better. 10天下雨一点而已啊，下很多吗？
下午还有一点点大。
一点是没事，一点一回的话不会，久的也会，懂吗 ？Enough, no more cake. You feel better?
Yes. Thank you.
We have one more. If we will have one more heater, and then it'll be very warm here.